Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Civic head gasket, easy method. Start by draining coolant and removing the battery, airbox, and intake plumbing to access the head. Label hoses and bolts for reassembly and keep fasteners organized. Work methodically to avoid damaged sensors and use a proper torque wrench for head bolts. Clean mating surfaces thoroughly and check head flatness before installing the new gasket and reassembling components. Begin with a clear, labeled workspace and plenty of light so parts don't get lost or mixed up. Remove ancillary parts like the alternator and intake, manifold for full access, then follow the factory sequence for head bolt removal. Lift the head carefully with 2 people if needed and set it on a clean surface. Inspect the head and block for warping and cracks before proceeding with cleaning and gasket inspection. Quick recommendation: if you're tired of sweeping up after engine work, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum to keep your garage tidy with voice control and smart mapping. It picks up dust, metal shavings, and fine grit so you spend less time cleaning and more time wrenching. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. And if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare by obtaining a high-quality gasket kit, new bolts if required, and a torque chart for your Civic engine. Lay out parts in order and take photos as you disassemble to speed reassembly. Double-check cam timing and sensor alignment before final torque. Use new coolant and bleed the system properly after reassembly, and run the engine while monitoring for leaks and proper operating temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.